Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Stamp Life, where we catch flights and not feelings. We are living our best life one stamp at a time. Now, time for part 2 of that hike to Pacaya. It's time to figure out what exactly do you do when you hike to the top of a volcano. So we left off parking our horses and hiking our way over here to the lava rocks where we are going to roast marshmallows. Now, I must say this. Once again, I totally regret not getting those walking sticks because walking in this volcano ash is for the birds. It is totally no different than trying to run down the beach in the loose sand. It's no fun at all. Like, you can feel the heat off of the
Guys, this is a smaller stick.
Della. Huh? You put the, let me see, girl, on fire. Okay, so I got my marshmallow. Let's stick it on this here stick. I'm gonna go down here into the lava zone, right? I hope my shoes ain't burning, y'all. And you just stick your marshmallow down in there. Interesting. So, if you look closely, you see that little orange glow down there? That is actually lava flowing underneath the rocks. So, it's pretty hot, okay? I think they said it was a couple thousand degrees Fahrenheit. So now you know why Della's marshmallow was burnt to a crisp, because it really doesn't take long for anything to catch on fire that gets too close to the lava. Therefore, I had to hurry up and get up off of those hot rocks before my weave caught on fire and the bottom of my shoes melt. So, like, it's really hot. Like, it's no different than you standing a foot away from a bonfire. A really big bonfire. Sort of burnt my marshmallow because I want to taste it. Let me spit out my gum. Excuse me. That's kind of good. Della, did you eat your marshmallow? That marshmallow was so good. It turned on my ghetto fabulous switch, okay? Baby. A Guatemalan marshmallow. And I'm definitely going to eat the burnt part. I ate the burnt part. I hope they don't come back in the form of cancer. I'm just saying. Been there, done that. Okay, so still climbing. Y'all see me? Oh, y'all see me climbing? Oh, y'all see me still climbing? This man is laughing at me. He's laughing at me. Lies you tell, sir. You was giggling at me from afar. He probably like, where is this big girl going out here on this volcano? Yes. Like, wait a minute. The climb continues. So, okay, we're not going to talk about the horse, okay? I was forced to get on the horse. It was against my will. Hey, we would have made it around about this time, 45 minutes after everybody. Listen, we just, I can't breathe good. It's caught up in my chest. Okay, so behind me, up here at the top, that's straight up lava. So if you listen closely, you can actually hear the lava still dropping. It sounds like rain a little bit. So there's more up here at the top. Listen, it's already a no. But when in Guatemala, climb volcanoes. Says no one ever. It's not the video moving in slow motion, it's me. Listen, this volcano experience will have you all in your feelings thinking, oh, I'm so out of shape, I can't even breathe good. No, it's the elevation. It's over 8,000 feet. The air is very thin, so your breathing is going to be very labored. So Jesus. Don't get discouraged, keep pushing. Not easy. That flat bottom, no grip shoes. Stop. Note to self. When you come here, don't put fashion trying to match your t-shirt. Don't match your t-shirt. Put on them neon Nike hikers or them shoes that them white people be wearing, them little Jesus sandals. Y'all be laughing at them white people. Let me tell you something, they know what's up. Them sandals got traction. Black folk, really no black people out here. I was about to tell a whole lie. We're the only coloreds. Y'all, if it is a candy camera out here to catch how I almost slid, that was gonna have to send a helicopter up here to get me if I would have fell. Because let me tell you something, I still got that far to go, and it would have been a man down cold 20. She ain't getting back up. Secretly, I can't wait to get back on this horse, because I'm not gonna do this. It's a lot harder than I thought. I should have known. That girl on that video, she was breathing all hard and she was real skinny, and she was like, oh, but it's only because I'm out of shape. And her boyfriend was like, no, it's not bad at all. He was black. That's why we don't trust y'all. Everybody was like, so Audra, you're turning 40. What are you gonna do for your 40th birthday? And I was like, girl, I'm about to go to Guatemala and I'm gonna hike up this here volcano. And they were like, what? Black people don't hike up no volcanoes. Well, I'm gonna be the first black person to do it. Well, I should say the first black plus sized person to do it. Listen. Scratch that off my bucket list. Did, done. I won't be back until I get an elevator. Then I'll come to the top of the mountain. So ladies, next time we come, they're gonna have an elevator.
Helicopter drop. Like,
Helicopter drop.
Hunger Games.
Hunger Games?
Right.
Yeah? No? Well, Pacaya, it's been real. It's time for us to hop on these horses and hike our way back down to the bottom. Which, by the way, I don't have any footage of, because that by far was the worst and scariest ride I've ever been on. Like, OMG. I was scared to death. Going downhill on a horse, it ain't it. It's not it. Especially when you're plus size. It definitely is not it. Okay? Listen, that ride back was not it, okay? That traffic was so horrible. Like, it was just the pits. And on a Saturday, they was like, well, where y'all going? Go home. Go enjoy your families. But it was at least 2 hours to get back. I was so happy to see the gates of Antigua. After this amazing adventure, we went to a spot called Lava. Their bathroom was so clean and cute. And honey, throw up in there if you want to. You about to come out your pocket, okay? Got us some good food and some good drinks. We deserve them. Totally. Listen,
You buy, I buy.
certain people cannot go on a trip with because you have your mind set up and say, yeah, I'm not going to buy extra stuff. We're just going to have a good time.
I wanted a ring, but
Janine,
I be scared.
she going to make you buy jewelry. Yeah.
She done bought 4 rings.
Look, that's the J Factory. We was in there a good hour.
Pretty though.
Della want to come over here and get some ice
I
cream.
might fool around and walk out of there with a bracelet tomorrow when we go back.
You see, you just can't go with anybody on a trip. They gonna make you buy. But at the end of the day, it is exclusive jewelry to Guatemala. It is what is it, lavender?
It's a lavender jade, and a black
Jade, only found here.
only found Val.
She told us to come over here and get some really good ice cream.
I got blueberry cheese.
Me, I'm the white girl in the group. I got pumpkin pie, and it's tasty. So, you come to Guatemala, come and visit these guys right here. Now, you think Guatemala ain't popping? Hola, Uber.
Hola.
Guatemala got Uber, okay? Alright. So right now, we are at the casa, and we came to rest, but there's one more mountain to climb, and these girls, they don't want to trust me. They think I'm trying to set them up for failure, like earlier today, but listen, I would never do that. Me? Did y'all call the Uber? So, buenas tardes. We are headed to Cerro de la Cruz. They trust me to make good decisions, but I think they back there talking about me. They're saying that I be for the okie dokie. No, I didn't. Right? ¿Cómo te llama? Edward over here with the Rasta locks and stuff. My love. So, we made it to Cerro de la Cruz. We didn't walk up here like everybody else do. The Uber driver, he looked at us and was like, and he rode us to the top. So we're gonna give him a nice 5 stars in the tip. That's what we're gonna do. Anywho, let's show you what it looks like. This is the famous Cerro de la Cruz, where the big cross sits on the hill overlooking the entire city of Antigua, Guatemala. So after that hike to Pacaya, I really had to redeem myself. So I brought the ladies up here to Cerro de la Cruz, and let's just say it was a breath of fresh air. It was such a relaxing location, and the view was amazing. I would have loved to gotten a sunset shot, but it gets dark around 8. It's only 5 right now, and we are exhausted. So we're about to head home and get some rest, because tomorrow is going to be super fun. So hey guys, stay tuned. I have so much more to show you.